Hello learners, how it's going? I'll be explaining the DOM concepts and how it can be used to access the elements of a web page. Let's get some knowledge. Okay, these are HTML code, and to write the JavaScript, we can use the script tag. Within that we can write our JS code, or else we can write our code in a separate file and we can include here, okay, by using this src. Here, it's recommended to include our script file at the end of the body, because we make sure that before applying our script code, all elements of a web page are loaded. After that, we are applying our script code. Then let's see the DOM. It's a document object model. Every node is considered as an object here. See, before that, I'll tell one thing. There are three types of nodes: element node, and text node, and comment node. All nodes are considered as an object in a document object model. Here, this HTML, okay, these are root element, and this head and body are those children. And within head we can have this meta link, and we can have a title as a children of head, and within a body we have script as a child, and we can have a headers also. Okay, see, within a body we can have a headers, paragraphs as a children. These are element nodes. Okay, these are element nodes. But when we come here, like in a title we gave ABCD, this is a text node, and within a header we gave Tony, this is a text node. Okay, and if we write any comments like this is a comment node. Okay, this is how DOM structure look like: root element, head, body, children, and these head and body are siblings. Okay, and title is a children and the text node and a comment node. And if we use any IDs or class names, these are called attribute. I'll explain that in further videos. Let's see how to access our elements. Let equal to, I'm using document, I'm using a dot operator. See, the whole body is stored in a we can use that and we can perform some actions to the body. See, there is one property called firstChild. Okay, in a HTML page, this is a body, right? This body contains the commands, headers, and script and all. But let's see what is the body's first child. It's a text node. Okay, I'll review here. The text node. You can ask, like, the first element of the body is header, right? It should be element node. Why it's coming as a text node? Because after this body there is a space. This is considered as a text node. Okay, see, if I remove that space, see, it's a element node. But how we can get over from the spaces like this, right? To do that, there is a property called first element child, which is the element. Okay, we are getting h1 only, right? See, h1 tag. That's a first element child or first child property, and we can use last child also. As the name tells, it will give a last child of the body. It's a script, right? See, it's a script. That's about first child, last child, and we can have a list of nodes. let equal to, I'll use document dot body only, and I'm printing that. Okay, and we have to include that source file, right? The JavaScript one. Okay, and we can use child nodes to get a list of child nodes the body has. Okay, I'll quickly refresh this. See, there is a node list. In that, first one will be a text node. That's a space. Okay, these are HTML code for your reference. These are space. Okay, then h1 space h1, and there is again a space. There is a text node, and there is a script tag. Okay, there is a script tag, and there is a space. There is a space. The length will be 5. So this way we can get the list of nodes the body has. And let's quickly check whether it's true or not, like we are getting all the nodes in our array or not. I'll check like a of 0 equal to document dot body dot firstChild. It's a true. See, a of 0, which means this child nodes in that first element or first node, it is equal to the document.body.firstChild. Yeah, this is about some of the properties of this body or any document object that we can use to access elements which are in a HTML or a web page. In further videos, I'll be explaining more properties or more access methods of our JavaScript. Until then, see you.